Imagine a nuclear plant in South Carolina. Outage in full swing. 2 massive feedwater heaters need replacing under a tight deadline. Every minute offline hits hard. Lost power, rising costs, pressure mounting. Others had faced difficulties with this type of job before, and Barnhart wanted this shot to get it right. We didn't just take the job, we redefined it. Smarter, safer, and 4 shifts faster than ever before. Flashback to 2016, a single feedwater heater failed at this plant, and the clock was ticking. Every minute down meant trouble. Barnhart stepped in for the emergency swap and got it done.
So we had a really good relationship with the maintenance department at the site, and just built up over the years. And they had a single feedwater heater that was failing, and had asked us to come in and kind of take a look at it on a very short, notice, kind of emergent work kind of situation. And we were able to come up with a really cool plan to remove and replace that feedwater heater in 2016.
That job sparked a realization for the plant. The 6 remaining heaters needed replacing over the course of 3 planned outages. The first 2 bids, others snagged them, but it lit a fire under Barnhart. We dug in, reevaluated the best methods to complete the job, and landed the 3rd with a plan that increased safety and shortened downtime. What were we facing? 2 large heaters packed into a tight turbine building, inches to move, up, down, sideways. A single misstep could drag out the outage, but we had promised to cut downtime and boost safety. This was our chance to deliver. So how did we overcome this issue which has previously caused delays? 4 strand jacks meant lots of line. Others in our industry had struggled with strands in the past, holding up work. Barnhart built a custom system, coiling it up to fit the tight space. 4 shifts saved, safety improved, and plant equipment protected. The next hurdle Barnhart faced? Time. Past jobs dragged on, switching tools for lifting, hailing, and sliding, slowing everything down. Barnhart tackled it with a multi-purpose attachment, designed and fabricated in-house to do it all in one go, finishing 2 shifts faster than others could.
Just a lot of time really working on that. And what we came up with was a really cool tool. And essentially it's one component, fabricated exactly the same for each and every one of them. And on one side of it, we had the holes for the one set of feedwater heaters, and on the other side of it, we had the hole for the other set of feedwater heaters, because there was 2 different feedwater heaters. So now they're interchangeable. But we could also, once attached to the feedwater heater, we could rig to it, pick it, set it. But the way it was designed as such, we had trunnions on it. And so the same spot that we were rigging to, with those trunnions were going into the bird's mouth of the staging arrangement. The staging arrangement was also the sliding or the skidding arrangement. And so when we picked that up to set it on the slide track, it just came all as one piece and set it down. So now between lifts, there was no rearranging of equipment or, hey, we got to get this off the track, let's get this on the track, and we got to change this rigging arrangement to do this. All of that was virtually eliminated with this system. And so, it's really a system more than just a multi-tool, probably the difference maker.
How did Barnhart clinch the job? We tested the Strand system and multi-purpose attachment, training the crew to nail it. Both were ready, but we ran 125% load tests in Memphis to back it up. The client watched our plan come together and knew we'd deliver. The day Barnhart had been training and preparing for arrived. The Barnhart team was locked in and completed the work flawlessly. 0 incidents, 0 delays. In fact, they beat the allotted time, finishing 4 shifts early with the client praising every move.
I've been with Barnhart for years. We all work together, like I said, as one team, and I had guys from 4 different branches on this job. I mean, everybody just kind of buckles in shoulder to shoulder, and we just work together like we've, always worked together.